Good morning, children. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy new year to all of you. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation. This chapter already I have discussed few questions during the live class on Zoom, but very few students were present. So once again I am going to discuss few concepts and some questions from this chapter. Okay, now, so you must have studied in class 7 also about this linear equation. What is linear equation? So, as most of you must be knowing the definition of equation. What is an equation? An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities called variable. So, you must be knowing about variable and constant from class 6 only. You must be studying this about constant and variable. In this equation, in this part, x minus 5 7 minus 2x, what is the variable here? X is the variable and constant minus 5, then 7, 2, all these are what? All these are constant. So, few rules are there for solving a linear equations. What are those? We can add the same number on both sides of the equation. So, you must be knowing on both sides of the equation means equation having LHS and RHS. You must be knowing that an equation is having what? LHS and RHS. Suppose this is your equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 4x minus 5. Suppose this is your equation. Got it? Then left side of the equation is called as what? LHS, and right side of the equation, right side of equal to, it is called as right hand side, RHS, and this side is called as LHS. And about constant and a variable, you must be knowing. Suppose 2x is there, then what is constant here and what is variable here? So 2x, this x is what? Variable, and this 2 is what? Constant. Constant means whose value cannot be changed. Constants. So the value of 2, can you change the value of 2? 2 will always remain 2 only. But x, the value of x can be taken as 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I am taking one example regarding this. Suppose 3x I have written. 3x is equal to 6. 3x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 18. Now I'll ask you, which one is correct? Which one is correct among these? 3x equal to 6 or 3x is equal to 12 or 3x is equal to 18? Which one is correct? Someone will say the first one is correct, someone will say the second one is correct, someone will say that this third one is correct, but I'll say that all these three are correct. All these three are correct. How? So let's see here. If the value of x I'll take here 2, then this part will become what? 3x, means 3 into x. So in place of x, what is that? 2. So 3 into 2, how much it will become? 6. So in 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and RHS also we are getting 6. Okay. So here what value of x, what we are getting? 2. Similarly here 3 into what will get 12? 3 into 4. So here value we are getting, the value of x we are getting 4. Here the value we are getting 3 into 6. So here we are getting value x equal to 2. Here we are getting the value of x equal to 4. Here we are getting x equal to 6. So can you see the value of x is different? Sometime it is coming 2, sometime it is coming 4, sometime it is coming 6. Okay, that means what? The value of x can be changed. The value of x can be changed, or change means what do we call it? Vary. The value of x varies. Okay, that's why it is called as what? Variable. Okay, so the numbers like 1 2 3 4 6 8 1 lakh 10 lakh 20, all these are what? All these are called as what? All these are called as constant. What we call it as? Constant. And the value, whose value can be changed, like x y z a b c, anything we can take, all these are called as what? All these are called as variable. Why? Because its value we can take anything, but this value, the value of 6 will be always remain 6 only, the value of 2 will always remain 2 only. Okay, but the value of x we can take different, value of y we can take different, value of z we can take different, means the value will keep on varying. That's why they are called as what? Variable. Okay, so the linear equation consists of what? Linear equation consists of algebraic expression whose LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, in both side algebraic expression is there. Algebraic expression is there. Okay, this side also algebraic expression is there, and both side algebraic expressions are equal. Then they are called as what? Equation. Okay, now equation can be of various types: linear equation, then quadratic equation, okay, then cubical equation. So you don't have to bother about these two. About quadratic and cubical you don't have to bother. You have to study about linear equation. Okay, quadratic equation you have to study in class 10. Don't bother up for this. So in class 8 you have to study this linear equation. Okay, now one algebraic expression I'll take: 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x plus 2. Okay, this side is LHS, and this side after equal to it is RHS. So both the sides are equal. Algebraic expression in LHS and algebraic expression in RHS both are equal. Then they are called as what? They are called as equation. Just now I have told you, they are called as equation. Now here what is the variable part here? Here variable part is x, here also variable part is x. Got it? Here variable part is x, here also variable part is x. Okay, so now in the variable, if exponent will be 1, okay, exponent will be 1, then there it will be called as what? Linear equation. Okay, it will be called as what? Linear equation. When the exponent on the variable will become more than 1, suppose 3x square plus 2 is equal to 5x, like this, then you can see the maximum exponent on the variable is what? Here you can see 2 here. Okay, here 1 is there. Okay, so maximum exponent on the variable is what? 2. So it will become quadratic equation. Okay, just for your information I am telling you, but you have to study only about linear equation. Okay, that means the variable on variable the exponent will be 1. Okay, so you have to study about linear equation. Now how to solve a linear equation, that we have to discuss. So suppose you have got 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Then what is the rule? Variable part and constant part we bring together. Okay, the variables and the constant part we bring together. So what we have to do here, this 2x, variable is x, here also variable is x. Okay, so the x term, the term which is having x as variable and x as variable, okay, that will be bring one side, either in RHS this side or in LHS. And the constant part, what is the constant part? This 3 and this 2 will bring one side. Then after that this 2 also, this constant also will bring in the constant side only. Okay, now let's see. 2x plus 3 is equal to, what is there? X plus 2. Then how we'll solve? First of all, we'll bring the like terms. Like terms you must have studied in class 6 also and 7 also. So like terms, what are the like terms here? This 2x and this x. So like terms will bring one side. So 2x and this x will bring this side from RHS to LHS. You must be knowing, whenever we shift anything from LHS to RHS, what happens? Minus term, if it goes, it becomes plus. And from plus, if in RHS it is plus, in bringing into LHS it will become minus. Suppose here, look at here, if this 2 will bring this side, then what will happen? 2 is in plus, so this side when it will come, it will become minus 2. If we'll bring this 3, this plus 3, if we'll bring this side in RHS, it will become what? Minus 3. Okay, so this rule you must be knowing, you must have studied in class 7 only, class 6 also, class 7 only. So just only for your revision part only I am telling this part. So now how to solve this one? 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Then what we'll do? The like terms will bring together. Okay, so like terms 2x and x is there. So this 2x, this x will bring this side. In LHS it will become minus x. Here x is in plus. So now x I have brought in LHS, this side I have brought. So from x it has become minus x. Now here already plus 2 is there. Now this 3 will bring into RHS. Then what will happen? 3 will become, plus 3 will become minus 3. Okay. Now the next step, 2x minus x. Suppose 2 mango will subtract 1 mango. How many mango you will have? It will remain 1 mango. So 1x it will remain. So 1x means what? X only. So x is equal to what? 2 minus 3. So this 2 minus 3, how much will get? Minus 1. Okay, so what value we have got? X is equal to minus 1. Okay, now another thing, suppose x by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. Suppose this type of equation is there. Okay, in fraction is there. Then what you have to do? How to find the value of x? You have to find the value of x, this variable part. What you'll do, whenever you will bring the constant or anything from LHS to RHS, plus was becoming minus, and something is in denominator. If you will bring from RHS to LHS to RHS, then from denominator it will go into numerator and it will be multiplied in the numerator. Okay, and suppose this 4 if you will bring this side, then from denominator it will multiply in numerator. Okay, so this is the rule. So what is there? X by 2 is equal to, suppose 3 by 4 is there. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x. So whatever you have to find the value, that you keep in numerator in one side. Okay, rest of the things, everything you bring another side. Okay, so we have to find the value of x, so x will remain here only. Now this 2 will bring this side. Okay, so x will remain here only, and this 2 we have brought this side. From denominator it will multiply into numerator. Okay, so 3 into 2 in numerator. Okay, and already 4 is there. So what will happen? This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So at the value of x, how much will get? 3 by 2. Okay. So this was just an introduction part of the linear equation. Few more things we'll discuss in the next class, and we'll solve the exercise questions in the next class. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.